Hello and welcome to another tutorial in our series Coding with Scratch. In this tutorial we'll show you how to create a countdown timer. I prefer to place all my central scripts like timer, live counter, etc. on the stage because the stage only exists once, so I have a central location to place those central scripts. If I place it on one of those sprites it would work, however it's probably hard to find once I have more than 10 or 12 sprites. So let's click on our stage and use the when green flag is clicked. What happens when I click my green flag? I want a countdown timer to count down from, let's say, 60 to 0. For this we have to create a storage place where we can remember the actual countdown time. So I go to data and I create a variable and call this timer. Now we see here a couple of blocks started to appear. The first one is to set the timer, so I can say when green flag is clicked, I set my timer to 60, so my game lasts for 60 seconds. Then I will count down my timer, so I change my timer by 1. And you might have seen that as soon as I create my variable, I have on my screen here the timer display. If I double click on it, I can change the experience to with the heading with a slider, which does make sense for us in the moment, or the normal display, just by double clicking on the block here. If I now click my block change by 1, first I have to click set timer to 60, and I now change timer by 1, you can see that every time I click this block, the timer counts down in the left area. So how do we achieve this automatically? We use a loop. So we use a repeat loop to count down the timer. If I now would start this and actually say I do this 60 times, the timer will run down really quickly. So what I have to do is I just have to put a wait statement for 1 second into here. Now I start the game will count down nicely from 60 to 0. Then I will use another control block to stop my game, and it's just a simple block saying stop all scripts. You also can stop this script or other scripts, but we want to stop all of them. So once it has come down to 0, it will stop. And I might increase this by changing the timer to 5 seconds only. We can see here it counts down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the game stops. So thank you very much for listening to this short tutorial on how to create a countdown timer.